So our business has changed through working with Corcentric for the past, I think it's been about 2 years now, maybe closer to 3. And we've really changed because we were 5 separate companies, and we still are today. But Corcentric has allowed us to take our buying power and combine it through those 5 companies, and allowed us to use everything we were buying every day, but now we buy it as a group, and that's really saved us. The second part is really on the invoicing side. So we do have a centralized AP department. So all 5 companies' AP invoices were coming through. And just from our fleet side, it was over 1,000 invoices a month coming through. And now Corcentric handles a huge portion of those. So that's saved time on the AP side, and now they like us instead of hating us and everything that we were kind of bombarding them with. Corcentric is going to help us through that. Obviously, that's what Corcentric's purpose is, right? So they've already helped us on the fleet side consolidate, but we're hoping to do more and more of that throughout the year. One word that describes our experience with Corcentric is partnership. So truly, Corcentric has come aboard and been a partner of us. They've helped us through invoicing issues internally, not on Corcentric's side, but on our own side. How do we process our own invoices? How do we issue POs? How do we manage our other partner companies? They've really helped us and helped us to grow through that partnership for all those.